it's Asian Mom Cooking here. Today I'm going to show you how to cook French toast. And these are the ingredients you need. 2 eggs, large size. And then 4 to 5 slices of bread. I'm using thin, so therefore I prepare for 5 slices. And then there's cinnamon and there's sugar. Okay, I'm going to crack the 2 eggs. And then you need half teaspoon of sugar, half teaspoon of cinnamon, and then mix everything together. I like my bread to cut into half, so you can cut it diagonal, or you can cut it in half, or you don't have to cut it if you like. Okay, I'm cooking in medium heat. I'm going to put in about a tablespoon of oil. Okay. Mix it and then dip it in. Okay, my pan is full now. I'm going to cook it until golden brown and then turn it over. Okay, it's been 2 minutes and let me check the 2 minutes. It looks golden brown now, so turn it over. So wait until the other side is golden brown, then it's done. Okay, it's been 2 minutes. And it's golden brown now, and it's ready. So I'm just put it over here to keep it crispy. Okay, I'm doing the same procedure to finish the cinnamon and egg mixture. It's been 2 minutes, and my batter managed to do 4.5 slices of bread. This one does not have too much, but anyway. Same thing, cook it until golden brown. Okay, another couple minutes has gone by, and there it goes, you know. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the bell to get notified next time I upload.